In order to be successful, sales teams need to truly understand their prospects and customers and their unique needs and challenges. They also need to be able to truly connect with customers and build collaborative relationships by investing time into understanding them. That's why our customer-facing teams use Lucid to hold interactive and engaging discovery workshops with prospects and customers. Here's how that works. Before a discovery call with a customer, reps set up a Lucidspark board to guide the discussion. They use frames to organize the working space, setting up areas for introductions, customer challenges, pain points, and desired timelines. They put the frames in a path to present during the discussion, and they can use guest collaborator links if those on the call aren't customers yet. They start by having everyone participate in a fun visual activity to get everyone engaged. Both the rep and customers are contributing to the board during the meeting, adding sticky notes and quickly organizing content as they go. Collaborator colors help us understand individual contributions, and facilitator tools help us keep the meeting productive. Before the call finishes, we have everyone participate in another visual activity where they prioritize the business needs we've discussed. This helps our team understand where to focus. We also set up a desired timeline so the customer knows what to expect moving forward. This board serves as a visual piece of customer documentation throughout the lifecycle of a deal, and is something that we can use to keep our team and customer on the same page. Using Lucid as our working space for discovery calls helps us interact with customers and start building a positive relationship and open lines of communication from day one. Customers are engaged and know we truly are trying to identify their needs and determine how we can help solve them.